Hey, it's Serina, educator at Keswick Wise and Well Center for Healthy Living in Baltimore, and welcome back to our kitchen. Jay and I are working on dinner here. He's actually cutting up the green beans, and tonight we're making almond crusted Creole salmon. So this is a great, easy, super quick recipe. We try to eat some type of fish at least weekly. It's just really good for our overall health, getting those omega-3s in, and also really good for supporting brain health. So tonight we're making salmon. This is a Creole salmon, so it's actually going to feature a Southerner's love of Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. So for all you Marylanders out there that are like obsessed with Old Bay, this is the Southern equivalent to it. It is a little bit of Tony's, goes on everything. So we're going to use this Southern spices. So Jay is getting the green beans ready. They're going to get tossed in olive oil and salt and pepper, and we're going to bake them for about 10 minutes at 450. Our oven is heating up now. Once those go in the oven, we'll start to create the Creole dressing for the top of our salmon. So super, super easy recipe. Jay's almost finished up here. I'm just finishing up grating a little bit of lemon peel. So got my lemon in here. Let me come this way. I love the way a lemon smells grated. Just smells so yummy. Alright, so as Jay's finishing up here, I'm going to snag these green beans. I think we're going to need a bigger bowl, but we'll make this work. Some salt, some pepper. Probably going to need more of that. Some olive oil. Go ahead, baby. Spoon out of here? Thank you. It's gonna be harder than I thought. We're just gonna go ahead and put them on the pan. We'll stir them up from there. Okay, so our green beans are ready to go into the oven. We're going to go in for about 10 minutes on 450, and we'll work on the sauce as we go along. All right, so it's time to make the sauce that goes on top of our salmon. Jay's going to work on getting the salmon ready while I create the sauce here. So I've got some strained non-fat plain Greek yogurt here. I'm going to use 1/3 of a cup. So that's going to be the base of our sauce. Alright, so we've got our Tonys. Let me just tell you, like, honestly, especially like Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, we put this stuff on everything. So you were going to have 2 teaspoons of our Tonys. So it's time for us to get some more Tonys. All right, we got our Tonys. We have about a teaspoon. It's probably actually a little bit more. I like things lemony, especially when you've got it with something spicy. So we've got fresh grated lemon peel. Just gonna mix this all up. It smells good. It's like that combination of like lemony and spicy. I'm gonna grab a hunk of salmon here. This just came from the butcher at Sprouts. They often have great deals on salmon and mahi-mahi, and so we keep an eye on them at Sprouts, and we'll do that. You can do it anywhere. You can do frozen salmon as well. I'm just kind of gonna paint my sauce all over my hunk of salmon. Smells good. Alright. Then I have a 1/4 cup of chopped and sliced almonds, and I'm gonna sprinkle them all over this so that my salmon is going to be kind of crunchy and crisp on the outside because of my almonds, and nice and light and firm on the inside. I'm not going to use the whole 1/4 cup. That's a whole lot of almonds for us. At this point, we wait till the green beans finish. They've got another like 2.5 minutes. We'll push all the green beans to one side of the baking dish. We will throw our salmon in on the other side. We'll cook it for about 12 minutes longer, and voila, like one major pan. Super easy, not a ton of ingredients. This salmon is only about just over 300 calories a serving, so the salmon and the green beans together. So it's super healthy, super easy, and a pretty inexpensive meal for during the week. Especially if you're time crunched, you can get this done super fast. So we'll be back in a few. All right, so our green beans spent 10 minutes in the oven. They are out. I'm going to push all my green beans to one side of the pan. Kind of even them out a little bit. Got my fish. Let's see if I can do this without dumping it. Spread out a little bit. Alrighty. Hold on a second, I gotta reach up here because I forgot to get it out. So basically, to get a nice little kind of crust on my green beans, I'm just gonna take some olive oil cooking spray, give it a quick little squirt, and it goes into the oven at 450 for another 12 minutes, and then dinner is served. All right, fish is out of the oven. We did have to cook our fish for 17 minutes instead of 12 minutes because a big section of it was really thick. But as you can see here, there's some yummy green beans and a big old piece of fish. So let's plate it up. Yummy, doesn't this look good? So as I said, this is just an almond crusted Creole salmon. Super easy, super quick. Don't need a lot of ingredients. You kind of basically just need like one pan and a bowl to make it. So it's time for us to have dinner. Bye y'all.